If you're experiencing approval delays on Wise, there are several steps you can take to expedite the process. Follow these steps to help resolve any issues quickly. Step 1. Check your account status. Ensure that your Wise account is fully verified. Log into your account and check for any notifications or pending actions that may require your attention. Step 2. Review required documents. Make sure you have submitted all necessary documents for the approval process. Check the specific requirements for your transaction type and ensure that your documents are clear and legible. Step 3. Contact customer support. If your approval is still delayed, reach out to Wise customer support. Provide them with your transaction details and ask for an update on the status of your approval. Step 4. Follow up regularly. Keep track of your inquiry by following up with customer support if you do not receive a timely response. Regular communication can help expedite the resolution process. Step 5. Consider alternative payment methods. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively address approval delays on Wise and ensure a smoother transaction process.